breathing like hell earlier. I doubt you can hear me, so I'm not going to be talking much. And I'm getting wet for you guys because I am an unapologetic fair weather rider, but I am testing this mic out with this camera, new mic setup. See how it sounds. I want to give everybody an idea what the bike feels like. On my freaking grip eaters. Still warming up. Okay guys, I am a fair weather rider, unapologetically, but I am riding in the rain for my subscribers because I am testing out yet another mic possible solution. I've been doing so much testing and I haven't come up with something that works quite well yet, so I'm hoping this works, and if it works halfway decently I'll put it up on YouTube. See what you guys think about the sound anyway. I'm just going to tool around a little bit, just slow and easy, get on back home, but I can't wait to hear what this is going to sound like and hope it sounds halfway decent. I want you guys to be able to hear what it sounds like on the bike to get a real good impression of what it is maybe to ride this bike. Take a long way home. The long, wet way home. I mean, this isn't bad. I used to ride in this sort of thing all the time, but now I don't favor it much. I'd rather stay dry. Ride my car when it's raining. But I figured I had a few errands to run and might as well just tool around and get a little bit wet. The bike don't care. Feel that torque? Fourth gear. 30 miles an hour going uphill. 20 miles, 29 miles an hour. Plenty of torque. And she's raining. I'm getting a little bit wet. Getting the feel for these trail maxes, they don't feel so bad. I'm not going crazy here. to home. Fiddle a little bit further in this pissing rain. Precious cargo.